Have you ever had a problem at work? Listen to this conversation and learn how to use the third conditional.
Hi, Anne. What's wrong?
I was really late for work today.
What happened?
First, I woke up really late. If I hadn't gone to sleep so late, I would have woken up on time.
Why did you go to sleep late?
I was studying for an exam. If I had started studying earlier, I wouldn't have stayed at the library for so long.
What time did you get to work?
I got here at 10. It also took me a long time to drive here. If it hadn't rained, there would have been less traffic. We use third conditional sentences to talk about unreal past conditions and effects. We often use these to express regret about the past. In these sentences, there is a conditional clause that starts with if and a result clause. We use the past perfect in the conditional clause and would plus have plus a past participle in the result clause. I failed the exam. If I had studied more, I would have done well on the exam. I lost the race. If I had practiced, I would have won the race. What's something that you wish you had done differently in the past? Write third conditional sentences to express your ideas. This is American English. Thank you for watching.